welcome to Review by Djsprc. Today we have the TRX4 Sport with the Traxx on it. What I want to do is compare the Traxxas Traxx to the latest and the newest crave that's on the internet, 3D printed Traxx. We printed a set and they're fully printed everything. There's no screws, no nothing, and yeah, it's the latest crave. And we'll do a compare of something that costs you printing them, maybe 2 spools of those was printed in ASA, maybe 50 bucks, and the time to print them. They are long. Took about, depending on the machine you have, to 72 hours ish. But those are the Traxx on the Traxxas ones right now. They're about I think $1 something US, closer to something Canadian. They're not bad. In deeper snow, they're good. And it is fresh powder we just got yesterday. I think it's going sinking right now. Now the TRX4 Sport is a little bit heavier than certain machines that people are using on the 3D printed Traxx, but they should work fine on it too. They're a lot wider than these guys too. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna pause this, and I'm gonna put the Traxx on and come back and show you the difference. And we're back. Now you have the TRX4 with the Traxx. And you'll notice on the machine itself, the Traxx are a lot wider. They are, give or take, about 3 inches, or even maybe 4, 3. And the stock Traxx are like 1.5 inches, max 2 inches. A lot wider, but what a difference on the machine itself. We'll demonstrate right here, right now. Again, these are 3D printed Traxx. There is no screws, no nothing. And yeah, you cannot, when you're certain, there's deep snow there. When you're on the go, do not stop. They will float on top. But again, you see the other Traxx right there. It went further than the stock Traxx. To be honest, I'm impressed. Very impressed. You can see we tried them here before restarting the video to make sure everything was fine. Whoa! I'm digging here. They go very well. Seriously. Oops. Recovery again. But seriously, if you're looking for a set of Traxx and you cannot afford the Traxxas one, they're I think about 200 bucks or something like that, 200 and something Canadian. And you want to go play in the snow, you have snow near you or you have access to snow, grab the file online, You will need an enclosure. You could do them too in PLA. The only down point of PLA, they can melt. They will cause any friction. This is printed in the ASA material. I heard a lot of people putting nylons, but again, like I said, there is no screws on this vehicle, on these tracks, should I say, at all. It's all filament that holds the tracks together. And make sure to print the correct hub for your vehicle. There's a hub for the TRX4 and there's a hub for the axial ones. And now we're not giving it full beans. We didn't fully test it on what point it could break. And she's dug again. Yep. Now, if you guys have any question or comment, I'll try to answer you guys for sure. I would say try to print them and go have a blast. They're fun. They're awesome. To a certain point, they're not, like I said, they're not like the stock ones. They're fully steel with bearings, things like that. This is all 3D printed. But for something would cost you a couple of 2 rolls. It takes 2 rolls and a half, 1 roll and a half. Let's say 2 to print these. And yeah. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot. And the like button if you like this video. That too, I appreciate it and helps the channel a lot. Thank you for watching.